trying to write an article or note for the classes, you are going to write a DPR for the projects, you are going to write contents for the book. So there is a need of documentation, and digital documentation fulfill almost all the services or all the requirements of the person. Like in this particular video, I'm just going to discuss about the software that is MS Word. MS Word is one of the software for the digital documentation. Using it, you can perform various type of jobs, various types of features are here. Like using this particular software, you can perform number of things. That is called feature. Features are number one, that is autocorrect. Autocorrect is basically the feature. Using it, you can correct your mistake or repeat the content as you want. As for example, if I need to write same statement again and again, then I have to write it one after other and again too. So using this autocorrect feature, we can. Next one is that is called spelling and grammar checking. Using this feature, we can correct our documentations with English speaking and English words and grammar checkings. It is one of the powerful feature of word processing software that enables to resolve all the issues related to the grammar part of the documentation. Next part is that is called find and replace. Using this feature, we can find any set of data available in the document and can also be replaced with the correct one or another one. Third one and the fourth one is that is called mail merge. Mail merge is one of the feature mail multiple person for one documentation. Means whenever you are using a document to send to the various or number of peoples or list of peoples, then you have to perform the this operation one after other or again and again using the email. But using mail merge feature, you can send the same content to the given receipts. So this feature is also the one of the powerful feature. Using it, we can reduce our workload from sending messages from messages to the person one after other. Next one, fifth one is called macro. Macro is basically a programmer level feature of word processing software or Word. Using it, we can record the keys of the documentation and we can recall it using the shortcut.